Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic but essential items. Make sure the TV or receiver is set to the correct input and that volume isn't muted. Once done, plug a phone or another console into the same input to verify the display and audio chain work. Then, inspect the cable. Look for bent pins, kinks, or loose ends. Power cycle the Xbox 360 and your audio device. Hold power 10 seconds off, because intermittent firmware or handshake issues often clear after a full restart. Next, you dive into settings and physical swaps to isolate the problem. Go to System Settings, Console Settings, then Audio, and select the correct output format, stereo, Dolby Digital, or Bitstream, so the console matches your device. Mismatches mute sound. After that, swap cables. Try HDMI, then component/composite, or use the optical S/PDIF if your model supports it. Make sure to test with a different cable and another TV or receiver so you can determine whether the issue is the cable, the port, or the console itself. Finally, you handle advanced fixes and a key troubleshooting tip. If settings and cables fail, backup profiles and saves, then restore factory defaults to rule out corrupted configs. If sound still fails, inspect for hardware symptoms like audio chip noise or overheating. These often indicate AV board or GPU issues needing repair. As a quick isolation step, plug in a headset or external powered speakers. If they work, the fault is the TV/receiver path. If they don't, the console audio hardware likely needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.